Hello guys, Matthew with 20D Ministries. It is Friday the 13th and I went out and did typewriter ministry. It was a very special time, very powerful time. I came out a little bit later than normal. Right now it's about almost 6 o'clock and I just had security ask me for a permit, and then when I didn't produce one, she kicked me out. But honestly, I've had years ago, like 6 years ago, security used to hassle me all the time about that, and I'd either just leave or just say no, I don't need a permit, and sometimes they just linger, but the Lord always worked it out. If I need to get some kind of vendor license permit, I'm willing to. However, I think it's because it's later in the day when I came out, and so they were on duty. But honestly, to me, it doesn't matter. So, I mean, it matters, but you know. So, I had two encounters that were like super powerful. A lot of them were actually pretty great. There's one guy named Israel. He maybe looked like he was 22, 24 years old. Tatted everywhere. Very kind individual. I started to talk about, let me try to remember from the poem, how he was like, been through the fire, kind of like Psalms 23, that he went through the valley, and what was meant to like break him actually established him, that he was a very kind individual, very strategic. He said that both these words just like blew him away. He's the guy that I'm going to share a picture with. And then I also had this other encounter with this guy. I think he was a security guard for the same company, but he must have been off duty. His name was Ken, and he said that he never had anyone share these words with him, and it was extremely accurate. And he said that he has a gift for people, and I may have a gift, and obviously I have a gift for people, so that's why I could see it in him. And then I just started to minister the gospel to him, and I showed him my cross tattoo. But unfortunately, someone else kind of stepped in, and I didn't get a chance to finish the heart of the Father for him. But yeah, those two encounters were like super special, super powerful. So last week I preached four services within a week, and that was an honor. And now we're starting to transition. I'm already starting to collect some gear for the winter time. You know, the house is the house, and we're advocating and putting people into positions to succeed. And there's 3 minutes. Love you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.